Body Break with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
What a way to enjoy the winter. And to have the energy to go up and down these hills, it's important to feed your body with foods that are lower in fat and higher in complex carbohydrates, like vegetables and pasta.
So here's a great tasting, economical vegetable pasta soup that takes only minutes to make, and you can even take it to the hill. Start by adding a tin of low-sodium tomato juice, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of macaroni, a can of stewed tomatoes, 1 cup of celery, half a cup of green pepper, a tin each of green beans, corn, and carrots. You can also use fresh vegetables if you'd like. Now season the soup with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of parsley. Let simmer at a medium-low heat until the pasta is tender. Have it with a whole wheat bun, 1% milk, and it makes a healthy meal.
Save some for us. Until next time, eat well, be active, and feel good about yourself. That's vitality!
Body Break.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.